Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two best IT management platform, which is Atera and Intune. So to get started with the in-depth and head-to-head comparison about these two IT management platform, so let's dive into it. In 2025, Atera continued to shine as a powerful all-in-one IT management platform built especially for MSPs and internal IT teams. It combines RMM, PSA, remote access, patch management, and a powerful AI features under a single dashboard with a per technician pricing. It's cost effective for growing teams and offer a seamless automation, ticketing, and a device monitoring across Windows, Mac OS, and more. Atera especially ideals for service provider looking to manage multiple clients from one place without juggling several tools. Microsoft Intune, on the other hand, is more focused on endpoint management and mobile device management, which is MDM. Its enterprise environment as part of Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Intune provides a deep integration with Azure's Active Directory together with a Microsoft 365 and Defender. It's best suited for organizations operating heavily within the Microsoft ecosystem, offering a centralized over control, app deployment, device compliances, and security policy, especially across corporate and BOYD's device. And here's a overall conclusion about these two ICT platforms. So choose Atera if you need a versatile all-in-one IT platform for managing multiple clients or internal system with ease. And opt in for Intune if your focus is enterprise level endpoint security and policy management within Microsoft environment. So Atera leads for MSP feasibility and ease of use, while Intune excel in policy control and integration across Microsoft services. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. Give it a turn on the revision button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.